friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. Today I have come with the recipe of how to make chicken cutlets using leftover chicken. Now many a times we have get-togethers in our house and we always cook in excess, and when the chicken becomes excess, the next day we don't want to use it, nobody enjoys it. So now I will show you what to do with that chicken. You can make chicken cutlets using the leftover chicken. Now I will show you how to make it. For making the cutlets, I have taken 3 potatoes, 3 onions and 8 green chillies. Chillies you can use according to your taste. Now this is the chicken which I had kept in the fridge. It's quite spicy, so you won't have to add much spices to it. You have to separate the bones and make it boneless. Now I have finished separating the flesh from the bones, and now I'll put it in a mixie jar and then mince it. See. I have kept the potatoes in the cooker so that it gets boiled nicely. I have chopped the onions, green chilies, ginger and garlic I have made into a paste, and now I have kept a vessel on the gas. I have added little oil, and now I will be adding this chopped onions, green chilies, ginger, garlic, etc., and I will saute it nicely. Now I will add little salt and saute this nicely. I will be putting very little quantity of red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and garam masala. I put red chili powder, turmeric powder, and I'll be putting garam masala, all in very small quantity, because remember that our chicken is already spicy and you need not, if you don't add the powders then also it is fine. You all can make these cutlets even with fresh chicken. You have to buy boneless chicken, and I have already uploaded that video. Now see, I added the minced chicken into the onions and then I will saute it nicely. Now if you all want to make cutlets with fresh boneless chicken, I have already uploaded and I will be putting the link in the description box. Now the potatoes are cooked. I have peeled the skin and now I will cut into small pieces and then I will smash it. I'll smash it nicely so that it can be mixed nicely with the minced chicken. See, I have nicely smashed it. Now I'll be adding this into the chicken. I'll mix this very nicely. Now it is hot. If you want, you can mix it nicely with your hands when it cools a little. See, now it's cooled. Now I will make a ball, small balls, and then press it inside the palm, and then you get a nice round shaped cutlets. See, I first make it into a ball and then I press it. I have taken 2 eggs, both the egg white and the yolk, and I have made breadcrumbs. That is, I have roasted the bread on a tawa in slow flame, and then I put it into a mixie jar and then ground it into a powder. I will mix the egg with little salt, and then first I dip the cutlets in the egg and then in the breadcrumbs and then put it to fry. I have used very little oil. See, first I will dip it in the egg and then dip it in the breadcrumbs and then put in the oil. And now when one side is fried, then you have to flip it over to the other side so that both the sides get cooked nicely. The chicken is already cooked, so it doesn't need much of cooking. Even the potatoes are cooked. So just wait till it becomes golden brown. Now our cutlets are ready. I will take it out from the oil. Now this tastes very good, and you can have this with tomato sauce. I hope you all understood how to make chicken cutlets using leftover chicken. Do try it at home and don't forget to write your valuable comments. And if you're watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification button, that is the bell button, so that you get the notification of all the videos that I will be uploading. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon with some more exciting recipes. Until then, goodbye.